Hello guys, and welcome to another Predator 5 video. Now, today we will be doing an unboxing of this Infinitipro hairdryer. Don't know why, I just feel like it'd be a good idea. So yeah, cue the music. Hairdryer has safety plugs on it, so that's pretty good. It comes with two nozzle tips. This one is for, I think, hold on. Let me just, wait, that's not the instructions. That's CFGI, circuit, okay. Accessories, that's Spanish, hold on. This is the American side. Or English side, sorry. Okay. So this nozzle, it's like a water bottle cap. Twist it on. And there you go, you have this nozzle. It's pretty interesting. Okay. And then this one. So by the way, this is not a sponsored video, so you know. Just felt like doing this. Then you have this nozzle, looks like it's gonna grab you. Yeah. We will be testing this out. There's a zip tie. Looks like interesting zip tie. Oh, it easily comes off. This is a bad zip tie. Things can come off from it, then it's a bad zip tie. Oh, this one's actually quite confusing. Okay. So we have our cord, we have this. That's safety. Okay. It has... Oh, this actually looks pretty interesting. Alright, we're gonna take the pieces off first. Out of it. We're just gonna have a normal hairdryer. I like how it looks like this, and it's a sleek chrome red. But as you can see, it has a high, low, and off setting right here. Oh wait, you have to. It's like a light switch. And then this one, it has a hot, warm, and cool. If you guys can see, hot, warm, and cool. Also switch. Then you just have a cold option up here, super lonely. Just funny. But yeah, I'm gonna change it to cool, because I like cool. I am cool? No, I'm not. But let me just plug it in real quick. It unplugging this. Plug it in. Alright. Wait, this is for GFCI only. Isn't it? Hold on, I need to ask my mom if it's safe. Hey, Ma! Ma! Is it safe to plug in a hairdryer on a non-GFCI outlet? That's a yes. Okay, so it's plugged in. Let's turn it on to... Okay, that's actually it's actually pretty quiet for a hair dryer. So we have a bag. Let's see how good this is. Well, it just blew the instructions away. Here, let me put this in the bag. Okay, that bag got really hot. Alright, now let's change it to high. I need to go get the bag. Just put it off the table. Okay. I'll change it to high. We're gonna use this. Okay, that just despawns from existing. They all just despawn. Okay. Gonna change it to low. It's cold! Okay, I just put it on the warm setting and it's like burning hot, so I'm guessing what the hot setting is just hot. Yeah, the the hot setting is for like winter day and like cooling snow off your head for some reason. Then we have the cold setting. That actually feels like actual cold, like an AC. You're standing right next to an AC. Alright, because I have long hair and I can never keep it straight, we're gonna be testing the nozzles. Hopefully they work. And I did not comb my hair today, so this is perfect. So we're going to start on low. Low does not work. Here, let me pick up the camera. Low does not really work. So let's try high. Okay, high works a lot. This nozzle isn't the best, so let's try it without the nozzle. Okay, yes, it does work without the nozzle. The nozzle gets really warm though, and that was on the cold setting. Alright, let's try this nozzle. I think this one, you put it in your hair. I don't know how this really works, so we're just gonna... I am so dumb. I just realized what this is for. This is for, like, you get out the shower or the bath, and your hair is wet. You want to have a hairbrush, but you also want to cool it off or dry it out, and has so many holes in here, it just does that, or you could just use it as a brush. That really, really hurts. But yeah, I think it's a good product. Don't know why it has holes on here. Now, I'm gonna get ready. Rip headphone users. Okay. Here we have nerds. We're going to test this. Okay, nerds. On the rocket propulsion test. This isn't a real test, it just looks fun. 3, 2, 1. They did not go high at all. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'd rate this hairdryer pretty nicely, actually. This kind of hurts. But that's probably because I was like, on my head. And this one, this one doesn't really work. So I think like a 8 out of 10 with this one. I do like how it has all the settings though. Like the settings are really cool. Like cool, warm, and hot, and cold. Cool is like warm. Warm is like hot, and hot is like super hot. So yeah, that hurts. Well, it doesn't hurt. It's just weird. The plug though. The plug has. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess it has the reset and test. So yeah, these are. But yeah, if you guys buy it, This was rewarded with points off of a credit card that my mom got. So yeah, but if you guys find this anywhere, I'll tell you what the product is in a second. It's the Infinitipro by Conair. That's the Spanish side. 1875 watt saloon stylus. Yeah. Oh, this is a styling attachment. Yeah. 8 out of 10. Rate this product in the comments. 8 out of 10 or any number you choose. But yeah, this is. I actually kind of like it, if I'm being honest, than the other hairdryer we have. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.